Hello everyone, good afternoon. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to another video. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Rajan Paul. I am a technical recruiter working in a mid-level of IT company. I make videos regarding for the HR Insight plus job vacancies. So and today's video is regarding for the vacancies. Currently we have a few vacancies open in my current company. So would like to share all details with you. So please stay tuned and watch the full video so I can share the entire details with you. Let me give you the details about the company first. My company name is Three Pillar Global. We are a US-based IT service providing company. Our head office is located in Virginia, US, and in India, our head office is located in Noida. Our 90% of employees are working from home and 10% of working from office, and our total headcount is 2,800 plus. Domain specific, Three Pillar Global builds software for healthcare, BFSI, and media and entertainment domain. I have given the website link in the description box. Please have a look and please go through it. Now let's talk about the vacancies right now. What we are currently hiring. We are hiring three senior requirements right now. First one is senior system administrator. Second one is senior Python automation tester, and third one is senior data engineer. I have given all the job links in the description, so please have a look and go through it. You can directly apply from there also. Let me share with you guys what is the exact tech stack we are looking for. Let's start with the first requirement, system administrator. For system administrator role, we are looking for 5+ years experience. Should have experience into Linux plus Windows Server, and strong experience into onboarding and offboarding the candidate, and plus little bit of automation experience. So if you talk about the budget for this role is around 6 to 8 lakhs, but it totally depend upon the candidate to candidate. If you have a strong experience, then we can go beyond 8 also. Let's come to the second requirement, which is senior Python automation tester. Experience level, we are looking for 5+ years, and a person should have strong experience into Python automation, good experience into backend testing, REST API, should have experience into Linux OS, plus our networking domain experience, because our end client is Cisco, so networking experience is mandatory. Budget for Python automation tester role is around 20 to 22 lakhs. We can go a little bit beyond also, but it's depend upon the candidate. But if you have a strong knowledge, so we can go beyond that. Let's talk about our final requirement, which is senior data engineer. The experience level we are looking for 5+ years, and should have strong knowledge of Python or PySpark. Anything is fine. But the main skill we are looking for a Looker Studio and Looker ML experience. So this skill is mandatory because our end client is looking for strong knowledge of Looker ML. Budget for senior data engineer role is around 30 to 35 lakhs, and we need a little bit of early joiners. So if you have a notice period of 30 45 days or max 60 days, so we can proceed your profile, but not 90 days. But one more thing, just wanted to update, out of all three requirements, two are remote position and one is work from office. Like Python automation tester and senior data engineer role is remote, and the system administrator role is work from office. We need a candidate who is from Delhi, Noida, or Gurgaon. Anything is fine, but he has to visit office 3 days in a week. So if you are having a relevant experience of any of these three requirements, or if you have any references, please do reach out to me. I have mentioned my LinkedIn ID in the description box, or else just do a comment. I'll reach out to you. So accordingly, we'll schedule the interview. So one more important thing, just wanted to tell you, like if you are saying that you have experience into this particular skill, please mention in the CV. Okay. For example, I'm taking Python automation tester role. If any candidate is stating that I have experience into Linux and plus networking domain, so please mention and highlight it in your CV. Otherwise, the profile get rejected. Reason why I am saying that, because I have seen so many candidates. They are stating that I have experience into the particular skill, etc., etc. But they don't mention the CV, and immediately the hiring manager reject it. So please update the CV properly and share with me. So accordingly, we'll proceed. We are expecting a few more openings in upcoming weeks, a few related to iOS, Java, full stack, React, and testing requirements also. So if you have any references, or you have experienced any of these skills, so please do a comment. I'll get in touch with you, and you can share me your CV also in the LinkedIn ID. So accordingly, we'll proceed further. Last, just wanted to say that guys, if you like my content, my videos regarding for vacancies and HR Insight, please do subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. So it would make a huge impact in my channel because I'm a new YouTuber, and it would help me a lot to grow in YouTube community. So once again, thank you guys.